Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a few different things. And forgive me if I seem a little off my game because this is a brand new camera. This is 1080p. The camera I was using before was in 720. And so I thought, well, let's bump it up a little bit if we can. And I don't know how well I like this. You tell me if it's really that much clearer. You know, I don't like autofocus jumping back and forth, but I really feel like if I'm going to be doing more skincare, then I need to be in 1080p. So here we go. We're going to give it a try. You guys sound off below if you really think that the quality is any better than what I was using before. So we have a few things going on today. Today I used the Makeup Revolution that I bought at Christmas time. And then it got put in a box of things to film and I forgot about it. So the eyes then are Makeup Revolution, the cheeks and the lipstick are Makeup Revolution. I have no foundation on. Instead, I am using the Shiseido BB Wet Force 50 Plus SPF on my face. And I rather think it does a good job. And I don't really need, let's see if I can come in closer. I'm not real good with this camera yet, so there you go. Moving into using some of these things to tell you how I like these products and what I think about it on mature skin. This is the Makeup Revolution's after party. Look at that. How can you not love a palette that has glitter? I mean, it's not rough, it's real smooth. And inside, all I've done is swatch a couple of these. So it has a little plastic thing that goes over it. It has the names on it. Look at those colors. I really want to explore this palette more, and this is just going to be a first time. I also have two other products that I got at the same time. I understand now they have a foundation. So with the foundation, I'm getting closer to a one brand with them. So I bought this blush also. This is called Beloved, and I dropped it. Never even used it, and I dropped it. So here is this shade. And so that's why it looks like that, is because I pressed it back together and like I took something and went down in it. So, I mean, it's going to look the same. It just looks terrible in the package. And then there's this lipstick, and I had to make myself stop using it. Isn't that packaging gorgeous? It's called Chauffeur, and it is so pretty. I'm going to come into this first shade, which is called Celebrate. See how pigmented this is. And I'm just coming directly over the top of the primer itself. I didn't lay down anything over it. Let's just check this pigmentation. Well, I'm going to deepen up my crease first a little bit. So I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to come into this shade here. The first shade, if I didn't say it, was Celebrate. This is called Up All Night. I'm going to take that shade right there and just come right here on the outer portion of my crease and move it in. I like that shade, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring it under too. I'm going to take No Sleep and go, it's appropriate. I'm going to take No Sleep all over my lid, and then I'm going to fire up the middle of it with coffee. How about that? You know what? I changed my mind. I think I'm going to come up here to Last Dance. I'm going to take that shade, Last Dance, and I'm going to pop that in the middle of my lid. Just right on top, in the middle, kind of brighten that up just a tiny bit. I'm going to take this little brush here, and I'm going to come down into this corner here for this black. See how intense that black is. And I'm going to take it right there and make this more concentrated on the outer corner. And then what I'm doing is just kind of pulling up. You see that? Just want to give a few shadows a try. Kind of wish there was a shade in here like Blanc type that I could go all over or highlight my brow bone with. There's not, so I'm going to come out of that for something else to do that. Let's just reach for the Standby Kat Von D palette right here, and I will find what I'm looking for right there. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup off of screen, so to shorten the video, and then I'm going to come back and add these two to the look, and you know, See how that goes. I decided to forego using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and not put on a foundation at all. Just sticking with the Shiseido Sunscreen. And I love this stuff, I really do. I'm excited for this part, so I'm going to put on finally, the lipstick, which is Chauffeur. And I gotta tell you, I cheated and I wore this a few times before I put it up for this Get Ready With Me, and I love it. So I think it's the perfect nude for me. And I'm going to come right over the top of it with White Russian from Buxom. And I think that is the perfect nude for me. All right, let's get a little color on my cheeks. So this is Beloved. I've never used this blush, so I don't know how pigmented it is. That seems to be pretty good. All right, that's the finished look. So what do you think? The eyeshadows, I think they took a little bit more work than other shadows I've been using, but let's face it, guys, I've been using a lot of higher end shadows that really do perform, like Viseart and Pat McGrath. So, you know, anything coming after that is going to have to work a little harder. But yeah, I think that the shadows did a pretty good job. I've never put this Shiseido on and not used a foundation. But, I mean, am I blind or does this not look pretty good? Let me just show that to you on its own. So it's got nice, it's runny, but it's got a nice tint to it. It's very lightweight. And I think it gives you just enough coverage. If you need a full coverage foundation, you're not going to like to do that. But if you're like me and you're a sheer foundation kind of girl, you can certainly pull this off, I think. I guess I'll know for sure when I edit. But from what I can see in the viewfinder, it looks like it covered pretty good. And I went right up underneath my eye and everything with it. So I'd like to thank you guys for being the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not part of the Fritzy family, well, then just hit the red subscribe button below and then you will be. All right? If you're not having a blessed day, please go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye, and I'm out.
So now we're just going to move on. Somebody call my chauffeur. Chauffeur! Nobody thought that was funny but you, Mary. Seriously, you can't see anything. You're like totally helpless without your glasses and you can't... What does that have to do with being able to open the compact? Ugh. And it's dirty. What a surprise. Got hair on my eye. It's like hair of the dog. Hair of the... Why did you say that? Da 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 da. I break the salt shaker. I've been told about you. Is that how that goes? Yeah, it goes. Now you're messing with a son of a you know. You can't say that.